You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. How to pronounce in English, British English and American English a young cow. This is the plural, the British English pronunciation, heifers. Heifers. I know just ignore the I in the spelling. It just confuses the pronunciation. It doesn't do anything. Heifer. Heifers. The plural. American English, heifers. How to pronounce heifers. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.